This video teaches you how to create a header banner on a page, as well as an event banner in Microsoft Word. Create banners to print. Open Microsoft Word. Click the search bar. Type in banner in the search bar, then press Enter. Doing so will search the Microsoft template database for banner templates. Select a banner template. Click Create. Edit the banner text. You can also change the text's font and color by clicking Home and selecting your preferred option in the Font section of the toolbar. Upload a background image. Using a watermark will ensure that the same image is printed on each piece of paper in the same exact spot. Click the Design tab. Click Watermark. Click Custom Watermark. Check Picture Watermark, then click Select Picture. Select a picture. Click the Scale drop-down box and select a scale. Click OK. Edit a picture object if there is one. Save your banner. Print your banner. Add a banner to a page. Open Microsoft Word. Double-click the header area. Insert an image. You can add images from your computer or one that you found online. Use the Picture Tools format to resize your header image once you click it. Add word art. Go to Insert Word Art and pick the style of word art that you want. Adjust the text and the image. Use the Home tab to change the font and font size in your text. Click your text to get the Drawing Tools format menu and use that to make your word art bigger, smaller, or to move it around the header. Save your banner. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.